Telangana, where ancient heritage meets global innovation. Hyderabad is a global IT and pharma powerhouse, home to over 1,500 tech firms like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, and the world's largest integrated pharma city. Known as the City of Pearls, Hyderabad has a rich legacy of jewelry craftsmanship and is renowned worldwide for its iconic Hyderabadi biryani. The state is home to Ramoji Film City. The world's largest integrated film city is a prime destination for global filmmakers. The Ramappa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, reflects the glory of the Kakatiya dynasty, drawing global attention to its architectural brilliance. Telangana's vast forests and wildlife sanctuaries are biodiversity hotspots. It is home to rare species like the Indian wolf and the sloth bear. Telangana celebrates diversity with languages like Telugu, Urdu, and Hindi, and rich cultural festivals like Bathukama and Bonalu. Emerging as a key player in aerospace and defense, Telangana is at the forefront of innovation, manufacturing advanced drone and defense technologies. Telangana, a state of timeless heritage and global leadership. Discover Telangana's global impact.